Khuborjylla man usnem yaka National Voters Day la rakhi haka arpusantarik kolalangkot ban kenmau yaka sngi basdang yaka Election Commission of India ban pensngotho ik pai ba nong shong shnong ban ishimenta ban Thep vote bat khamta mi ki Samla ki badang sedang ban Thep vote. Haba krench kila pathai Khubor ha Shillong Press Club haka arpakhandai terik kolalangkot arjar arpun reu usarvendra Pratap Singh ubari State Director My Bharat Meghalaya ulong bahaka laipau terik kolalangkot arjar arpun reu harangkat kajingetrelang bat ka Sports Authority of India bat katanat Sports and Youth Affairs of Meghalaya kan pelong ya kajingelang ka bekerpang na kabenta kinong Thep vote kiban yo Thep vote ha kasin Nyngkong Haji and Stadium Madan Basketball Polo. Ubobi walang ubadei State Youth Officer Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ulay thu kumbaar spa nelai spa ngut ki Samla ki bayot Thep vote Nyngkong kinwan shikani kajingelang bat ensamru yakidur epic.
Of Meghalaya Sports and Sport Authority of India, Directorate Sports, and in collaboration with the Chief Election Office, Meghalaya. Only thing is this: the National Voters Day is observed annually in 25th January in commensurate the Foundation's Day of the National Voters Day by the Election Commission of India to promote informed, ethical, and participatory electoral engagement among the citizens, particularly youth and first-time voters, in pursuance of the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Jan Bhagidari in Rashtra Nirman and the mandate of youth-led nation building, My Bharat. Under the Ministry of Youth and Sports, Government of India is going to organize the National Voters Day Padayatra Sunday and cycle on 25th January on the eve of Voters Day, but our Meghalaya state is observing on 30th its exemption from our ministry to observe instead of the Sunday to 30th January. That's why I am here on press conference briefing the programs on the Voters Day program. The state and union territory capital along with the district National Voters Day Padayatra across the country has been held and going on. Objectives of the promote of awareness of the importance of voting, democratic participation among youth and especially first-time voters, encourage voter registrations, corrections and electoral details, and inform the participants in elections. Mobilize My Bharat volunteers. As you know, My Bharat organization, Ministry of Youth and Sports, is registered millions of the My Bharat volunteers across pan-India to strengthening institutional collaboration between My Bharat and Election Commission of India, create a nationwide informed observance of National Voters Day through the participation of civic actions. National Voters Day Padayatra Sunday and cycle democracy walk on 30th January 2026 is on schedule in Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Polo grounds with the supports of Director of Sports Meghalaya. The key highlights of the program, what will the activities be going on there, our colleagues, my friends, Mr. Bobby Olang will brief all of the key highlights of the activities.
This is the second phase of our program. The first phase was on the 25th of this month, that was a National Voters Day, and this is the second phase. We are having the Padayatra and a cycle rally. Tomorrow, the program will be held in Jain Stadium basketball court, and Sri Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari, the CEO Meghalaya, will be the chief guest, and the Deputy Commissioner of ISKA Sales, Madam Kurba, will be the guest of honor. And we will be inviting the first-time voters. Most of the first-time voters will be there during this rally, and we will felicitate them also. And then we will distribute the epic card also on the same day. And also after the rally, after the program, we'll be having a short Padayatra. As this press conference we have called as directed by the Ministry of Sports and Affairs, and this press conference is happening all over India. So most of the district they have completed yesterday, day before yesterday, and today in Meghalaya we are completing today. The other highlight of this program will be that this program is collaborated with lots of stakeholders, like from the Sports Authority of India will be there, the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, the Office of the CEO Meghalaya, the District Election Officer, and My Bharat Kendra. So tomorrow the program we'll be expecting about 2 to 300 first-time voters will be joining us tomorrow in the Polo Grounds program, and after that we'll have a short Padayatra, and after that we'll be having the oath taking ceremony. The oath taking has already been finalized and been circulated by the government of India, and the same oath the oath which has been sent to us, we will administer to the youth will be present there. So these are the short program we will be holding tomorrow, as the main program has already been completed on the 25th of this month on the National Voters Day.